Good day. I'm gonna do one of them daily doodads, aren't I? Cause my boat's in a mess. I'm just uploading the video that you guys will see on Friday, or Patreon will see tonight once it's processed. So what's today? Today's Tuesday. I've been trying to fix my gearbox all day. We'll see how that worked. What's going on with this? Auto bilge pump fixing it. Look at this. Oh, that's not even an electrical connection. There's no connection there. I just put the heat shrink on to keep the wires together. When I opened up the bilge to start doing stuff, the bilge was a foot deep in water. So I had to pump it all out manually. If I click it onto manual, it works, but won't work on auto anymore. So there must have been a tiny little break in that wire, the sheathing around it, and it's just died. So that's not annoying at all. I'll cut it up in a minute and try and fix it. I thought it was scum on the thing, which is why it's in the bucket cleaning it, but what a bollock. Yeah, daily update. Have I got anything to talk about apart from being stuck here? Oh, I'm going to leave Friday, whatever happens, one way or another. I might have a chance at doing my ICC reasonably cheap on somebody else's boat, so we'll try that, because that'll be handy for me getting insurance, which I need fully comp insurance in order to get into one of the boat folk marinas as a berth holder. I want to be a berth holder at Bangor so that I can stay there over the winter, but I need fully comp insurance. Nightmare. Yeah, I think I started this video in order to say a specific thing. Alas, I do not know what that thing is. Yeah, if this gearbox fix doesn't work, then I'm stuck here basically. I'll end up having to put the boat on a mooring buoy where it's cheaper, and probably get a job around here and save up until I can afford to sort the gearbox out. I can't afford to stay in the marina. The marina is my biggest expense at the minute. I mean, to be fair, I've only done, although I've been here about 6 or 7 weeks, I've only actually paid for about 3 or 4, because I've been on the mooring buoy and I've been away and stuff like that. But it's still a massive expense at nearly 200 quid a week, so can't keep doing that. Doing a waffle now, aren't I? What else is this to tell you about? Nothing apart from my boat is in pieces yet again. Yeah, it'll be right. New video will be out Friday. I've not been going through all the comments on my previous videos. I know I was used to like commenting on everyone and replying to everybody, but I've just been a bit stressed out, burned out, I don't know, bummed out, so I've not really been on there. So yeah, I might do that later. I might go through all the comments and reply to everybody. Yeah, positivity, all will be well. I'm on a boat, which is what I wanted to do. Did you expect it all to be smooth sailing? No, so no whinging, just get on with it. Yeah, that is daily update number in a bit.